Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be making some pizza. So let's first open the box. I didn't preheat the oven. Alright. There we go. Now that the oven is preheated, I need to find a pizza pan. Got it. Now I got the pizza. Have like no pepperonis on it. It's a bland pizza. Whoop. Gotta open it now. Gotta sort out the pepperonis so it can be even. Now me, I like to eat jalapenos on my pizza. So just open these. I can get it open. Opened it. So I gotta get a fork. I'm gonna just use chopsticks. It's easier, I hope. I'm gonna put them. I can put them all over the pizza. And put it on half of it. Alright, I'm done putting the jalapenos on the pizza. So now, you have to wait until the oven get done preheating. And I'll put the pizza in. I'm just come back and see if it's done or not in like 10-15 minutes. I'm pretty sure the oven is done preheating now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the pizza in the oven. Anyways, the pizza's done. It's done. Let's wrap it with this. Oh, wait. Alright. Why is it burnt? Oh my goodness. Alright. Let's grab it. Ah, my face is like hot. Oh my goodness. Oh. Ah, hot. Pizza, 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 pizza. Oh, shout. gonna use this knife to cut the pizza. But right now it just came out the oven. And it's still hot. So I gotta have it cool. Then, well, not cool, but not as hot as it is. And then cut it. I'm back. Let's cut this pizza. Let's cut the pizza. We have a pizza cutter for a reason. Where is the pizza cutter? Where is it? Don't know. Hey guys, here's the pizza. I actually finally cut it, and these three have jalapenos on it, and then that one don't. Here's the final pizza. And it's good.